The price of XRP might go as it was months ago after millions of tokens hit exchange wallets. The most popular lawsuit in the history of mankind is related with the price of XRP. As we are witnessing right now, we are in a bearish market of all the altcoins including XRP. The cryptocurrency right now is living through a tough period, but this is especially pointed out with XRP because of the lawsuit. There are possibilities at the moment for recovering of the price before the so-called crisis, but we are going to analyze how and when this could happen. First of all, let us remind you to subscribe to our channel and to click the like button so we can continue researching about the cryptocurrencies. We are trying our best to give you the most relevant information so you can have the best formed decision about your investment. Today we are going to see all the possibilities about XRP and its price. That is why you should stay with us till the end of this video. Most of the altcoin market is in an extended rally, but traders have a bearish look on the 6th largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization due to the stalled uptrend. The most interesting turn of events are those $250 million that are transferred in XRP at the Bitstamp exchange. Based on Whale Alert, 250 million XRP was transferred from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp recently. This huge transfer of tokens sent red light signal across the board since it could lead to a spike in the selling. This could create pressure to the sellers or even to the whole market. You are well aware how important are the information in this business, and how just one statement can make huge difference here. We are not talking just about some statement. We are talking about huge transfer of money. Traders remain cautious given the increasing number of tokens now sitting on exchanges. What is also worth mentioning is that Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, transferred more than 180 million XRP from its escrow account to former CTO Jed McCaleb's wallet in a planned settlement. Though, this is part of a routine for the distributed ledger firm. A total of more than 500 million XRP was unlocked from escrow, and it has raised flags in the crypto community. This was echoed in the whole community and in the financial market in general. In the alert of Whale Alert on Twitter has been said, 500 million XRP, or more than 380 million United States dollars, transferred from Ripple escrow wallet to unknown wallet. This was announced as huge and urgent alert. The advantage of the cryptocurrencies is that this kind of sums can be done in just seconds, and they can make huge differences on the market. Some of these kinds of transfers can move the price significantly high or significantly low. Couple of days ago, significant unlocks were followed by a high inflow of tokens to crypto exchanges and a subsequent drop in XRP price. We are mentioning this so you can be aware of how much change can be made by a single move. Given McCaleb history of selling XRP at big quantities, traders are concerned over a drop in the altcoin's price. What we saw earlier is sudden and unexpected uptrend in the price of XRP. Most of the analytics are saying that the uptrend that we were having couple of months ago was due to the Securities and Exchange Commission Ripple proceedings. However, this excitement in the holders' and investors' heart was short-lived and the price went down again. This token's price recently came close to retesting a high of $0.78, but it is now undergoing a correction. The downtrend is expected to be prolonged since the unlocking of 500 million XRP can make the bigger inflow to crypto exchanges and create further pressure to the sales and even to the buyers. We are not very aware of how much pressure in the psychology of the holders this can rise. All of these transfers can be very important. That is why as a holder or potential investor you should be aware of what is going on with the market. You probably know that Ripple is doing a huge partnership with many companies in the financial world. As part of that partnership and because of the needs of its customers, Ripple blockchain technology provider continues sending crypto to the Huobi exchange based in China. You also should be aware that many media outlets reported that Ripple is conducting regular daily XRP transactions to Huobi varying from over 7 million XRP to 1.5 million XRP. These are not the only transactions that matter. In the past couple of days, we have seen companies in the United States with such behavior like this one. The San Francisco-based tech behemoth has moved more than 5.4 million XRP to the Chinese crypto exchange. Those were 3 transfers of 1.7 or 1.8 million coins, in a week. Before that we have saw transfer of around 1.6 million tokens. As we mentioned earlier, the company Ripple transferred another crypto stash to the co-founder of the company and former chief tech officer, Jed McCaleb. Just recently the Decacorn moved 182 million XRP to his Taco Stand digital wallet. We have reported earlier about this, and it was a big news in the crypto world. McCaleb left OpenCoin, later renamed Ripple Labs, in 2013 after failing to come to an agreement with the other co-founder, Christopher Larsen. The argument was something about the development of the company. Both the owners had a different opinions on where should the company go in future. From that point on, Jed has been receiving 8 billion XRP as a compensation. Prior to that, McCaleb received around 300 million XRP from Ripple. After that McCaleb dumped more than 100 million XRP onto the market and he sold more than 450 million XRP. The community, the holders, and the investors expect McCaleb's XRP holdings to go down to 0 by the end of August or in September, depending on how fast he sells his coins. As of press time, the 6th largest cryptocurrency, XRP, is changing hands at a price of 0.7, as per data provided by CoinMarketCap. Over the last 7 days, XRP price has climbed around 5%, representing the best gain since the bounce from April low. In the process, Ripple triggered a double bottom pattern with a daily close above 0.73 late July. Additionally, it reached the impressive resistance outlined by the 200-day SMA at 0.77 and the neckline of a multi-year inverse head and shoulders pattern around $0.72. Over the last couple of days, XRP price has been trading sideways, showing a correction in time. We can notice some correction and development from Ripple, which demonstrates a nice commitment to the cryptos and tokens. The move which we can measure of the Ripple twin bottom is close to almost 30%, targeting an XRP price of $0.9, which is going to be a solid price of this token regarding the last couple of down trends. The target falls short of the critical resistance framed by $1 and the 38% retracement level of the April to June correction at $1.6. The daily close of $0.779 could be a clear sign about continuation of the Ripple rally to at least the measured move target and possibly beyond if the cryptocurrency complex maintains the strong bid. We are well aware that XRP is among the most influential cryptos in the market alongside with Bitcoin and Ethereum. These 3 crypto majors have shown the movements and impulsiveness off the July downtrends, and all of this can be considered as a consistent with a new advance and better outcomes for the long term of the cryptos. However, Bitcoin price and XRP price have struck imposing resistance levels and are consolidating right now. We can freely say that we have seen some consolidation at the end of this month. And this is for all the cryptos, not just Bitcoin or XRP. The best scenario is for the cryptocurrencies to correct in time versus price, thereby maintaining the basis for the impressive momentum that has been present over the last 2 weeks. After this price analysis, let us see the current trends and possible outcomes. At the time of writing, the price of XRP is stable with a possible uptrend. The price is at 0.73. The trends are saying that the price is going up almost a 0.2% an hour. We cannot follow the price hourly, but we can surely say that the stabilization of the market is notable, and it may be interesting to follow this token in the next couple of weeks. The market capitalization of XRP is around $34 billion and its 24-hour trade volume is around $2.77 billion. We can see that the circulation is around 46 billion tokens and the maximum supply is at 100 billion tokens. Please remember that these times are very risky and volatile for XRP, and it is very important to be very careful if investing. The previous couple of months were good for holding the coin and waiting for the lawsuit. Most of the prognosis are on the line that when the lawsuit is going to be over, we are going to see skyrocketing of this token because of the partnerships that they are making with most financial institutions. Most of the opportunities for XRP is going on the line of the CBDC and the international money transfer markets. These two possibilities are crucial alongside with the lawsuit with the Security and Exchange Commission. The price prediction is very hard for this token at this moment, but this one is worth to follow for sure. Please subscribe and recommend this vid. To someone so we can manage to stay in the game and to do the research for you about the cryptocurrencies.